Hello everyone. Professor Ashwini Nerkar is here before you to deliver a lecture on project management subject. Up to now, I have delivered lectures on topics Introduction of Project Management, in which we have seen about how is the process of project management and role of project manager. Then we have studied the topic communication skill and management skill, in which we have seen that how the communication skill is important in professional life so that the project leader and employees will maintain the proper communication, which will help in creating effective environment. And the various types of management skills also we have studied. Then we have studied about the topic project planning and fundamental scheduling procedures, in which we have seen that how the project plan is developed and how the duration of project is calculated by network analysis such as CPM and PERT. In this topic, we are going to study about organizing for project management, which is related with types of organization structure according to the type of work and types of organizations. Organizing for project management means various types of organizations. First of all, let us understand what are the requirements for organization of project management. We are going to deal with types of organization, organizing for project participants, organizing merits and demerits of each type of organizations. So let's see all these things in detail. First of all, let us understand what are the organizational needs. Staff. First, we must know how much is the requirement of the staff according to the type of work and content of work. Then we require to be provide training to the staff to handle the work properly. After the experience of staff, we must give them promotions to motivate them for achieving good quality of work. Planning must be done for proper development of work. Performance management means adding new skills and knowledge to enhance the performance of the employees. So all these are the basic needs required for the organization. Now let's study about organization structure. Organization structure requires to be analyzed about staff positions, which person will handle which type of work. Then we have to divide the work activities, which is called as subdivision of activities according to the type of work. We have to decide the proper line of authority and communication for the work. Work relationship between different divisions of organization should be maintained properly for the flow of work. Forms of organization structure are functional organization, project organization, and matrix organization. Let's discuss things in detail. Now, first of all, study about types of organization, that is the project organization. Project organization consists of the team, which includes project manager and a number of trained assistants, and they are assigned for the specific tasks, and it works under centralized process because the project manager is the leading role, and it has been controlled by the project leader, and the works are assigned through the sole authority of project leader. Hence, it is called as the centralized process. What are the features of project organization? Teams must be assembled for a project work. Each project has a project leader, and after the completion of project, the teams are disassembled, that is, the project terminates or completed, the team gets separated. They do not have bounding to carry further for the next project. We can appoint the new persons, and there is a scope for appointing new persons for new project. So the role of members in project organization. Project manager is the person responsible for management of work for successful completion of the project. Project team members are the participants who are responsible for performing individual activities and tasks. Functional manager is the team members in charge in the departments. Upper management people are appointed as an head in charge to control the various types of departments. So these are the various types of members which are included in project organization. Now let's see about the advantages of project organization. Good communication and commitment to the work and responsibilities helps to carry the project work effectively. Appointment of new people can be done having the special capabilities. There is no waste of staff workload as we appoint the people as they are required. Effective decision making is achieved as there is a sole authority to control the work. Now let's see what are the disadvantages or demerits of project organization. There are no long-term goals or sense of job security as the team breaks up and disperses after the completion of the project. So there is no job security for project organization. The employees have or the members have to search for new work after the completion of the project. Team cannot be assembled rapidly. It takes time to assemble the team for project organization as there is no settled staff. Maintaining teams is expensive as we don't have the settled staff and we have to hire the new members for the projects. Now let's see the participants of organization. In this we can see that the leader is a builder for the project work of construction, and he will appoint the group leader, that is architect. Then he will appoint the group leader engineer. Also he will appoint the group leader interior designer. In this way the work is assigned to various group leaders for the handling of project work. After appointing the group leaders will appoint the members to carry the task. Architect will appoint the draftsman and assistant architect or trainees, and he will hire the structural engineer to provide the structural drawings. In this way, architect will carry his task. Then the engineer will appoint the labor contractor for the supply of labors, and also he will appoint material contractor for the supply of materials. Interior designer will appoint the members such as carpenter to carry the furniture work. He will appoint an electrician to carry the electrical works, and also he will appoint plumber to carry the plumbing work. In this way he will appoint various types of members to carry the task of interior designing. Now let's see about matrix organization, which is to be followed in large organizations. Matrix organization can be get focused on the project more quickly because of the work culture of the parent organization. That is, the organization is well settled and it helps to carry out the work. The staff is appointed from the many years and they get experience and the project work can be carried out smoothly. In this organization, peoples with skills are also assembled for some other work assignments. If there are various types of departments and some other project work is to be carried out, each member or the skilled persons from each departments are assembled to carry that project work, and it becomes easy to assemble the team in matrix organization than in project organization because the parent organization is already present in matrix organization. In project organization we have to search for the team members. Here the team members are already available, so it becomes easier to assemble the team. Now let's see about the advantages of matrix organization, that is matrix structure. Resources means we have to give optimum use of resources by sharing the resources between various types of departments. Now, handling of project work means The skilled persons are available in the organization itself, so it is easy to carry the project work. That is the handling of project work. Now let's see about the disadvantages of matrix structure. Complexity in organization structure means it is difficult to manage due to various types of departments, as there should be the communication flow, so only it will be easy to handle the work. But if the communication flow is not that smooth, it becomes difficult to assemble the team for other types of assignments. Hence, it is said as complexity in organization structure. Example: communication between various types of departments. Features of matrix organization are infrastructure and equipment resources must be available, as the organization is formed through many years having good reputational value, so the resources are easier to hire and there are no issues of budget. Assembling of team is temporarily for some other events or project work by making assemblage of skilled persons from various departments. Duration of assembling team. It requires less time for assembling team as the skilled persons are available in organization itself. So it is easier to form team than the project organization. Here we can see the structure of matrix organization. I have taken the example of KTHM College, that is the Educational Institutional Organization. Here we can see the various types of departments such as video production department, interior design department, printing department, and if they have to arrange the event such as cultural event, the departments are assembled by the various persons from each department, such as video shooting is provided by the video production department. Stage decoration can be provided by the interior design department, and flex printing can be provided by printing department. So through their skills they can be assembled for various types of events. So here we can understand how the matrix organization works, how the assemblage of team is formed to carry the events. Functional organization. In a functional organization structure is formed by various types of departments and each of which addresses a function. That is, it is the same as the matrix organization. The only thing is that the departments are carrying their works individually. Let's see about the features of functional organization. Quality of work is achieved by experience of the staff. Work is to be done in fixed duration in functional organizations, as the time is allotted for the employees and in that time the employees work, so it is to be carried in fixed duration. Team members have fixed type of work. Job security is there since there is no dissemination as in project organization after the completion of the work. Now let's see about advantages of functional organization. Benefits of specialization can be achieved in functional organization as the organization has well set up and the employees are trained to carry the work. Expertise knowledge is provided through training to the employees. Division of work is there as the work is divided into various types of departments. Scope for training is there. Also, there is scope for expansion of work as the well setup of staff is there. Hence, through experience and by adding the staff, the scope of work can be expanded or the scope of infrastructure or other types of equipments can be expanded to increase the productivity of the organization. Hence, we can achieve the mass production in functional organization due to proper training, expansions provided, and expertise knowledge to the employees. Now, what are the disadvantages of functional organization? There is absence of unity of command as there is no sole authority as in project organization. There are various types of team leaders and various types of departments. If the communication between various types of departments or the team leader and the employees is smooth communication, then only the work can be carried out effectively. There is high clerical costs in functional organizations. Here I have taken the example of administrative office to explain about functional organization structure. Now let's see which functions are carried in administrative office. Here we can see that the function of maintenance of indoor-outdoor letter is carried over here. Then here we can see that admission process and maintenance record of students are carried out. Here we can see that the service book of employees is maintained. Here we can see that the maintenance of salary records is maintained. So in this way, the various types of functions are carried out in functional organization structure. Now, what is organizational hierarchy? Organizational hierarchy is the types of levels in management, that is the top level management, middle level management, and first level management. These are the types of positions of the staff. Now, what are the managerial levels? The top level managerial levels includes president, middle level management people includes managers such as marketing manager, finance manager, production manager. And in first level, there are employees which are known as supervisors who supervise the work of the employees. So these are the various levels of management. Here I have taken the example of educational institute to understand the organization structure. Here we can see that the president is the topmost level. Then after that, secretary is assigned to work under president. Then the principal is appointed and vice principal is appointed. After that, the operational managers are appointed, which will look after administrative staff. The coordinators are appointed to look after the various types of departments. So this is the organizational structure of educational society to understand about functional organization. Thank you for listening me.